Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be seeing the AlertOps inbound API integrations, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build out your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. AlertOps comes with a number of pre-built integrations for various monitoring, help desk, and ITSM systems. Besides our pre-built integrations, the AlertOps Open REST API enable you to seamlessly integrate with any tool or system in your stack. AlertOps integrations can automatically open and close incidents and tickets based on the status reported by your system. This automates much of the administrative work in incident management, so your teams can focus on keeping your systems always up and running. To create an inbound API integration, select the desired integration from the available templates. You can create custom integrations owing to AlertOps Open API plug-and-play configuration. Setting up an inbound API integration is very simple. Give the integration a name and specify the sequence if needed. Select an escalation rule for the integration. Note that escalation rules determine the linear path through which the alert flows, house workflows, and invoke any outbound actions pertaining to the alert. Select the recipient users or recipient groups that you would want to be notified of the inbound alert. On saving, you will be provided with an API URL that will be used in the source configuration for sending out outbound alert information to AlertOps. You can specify more granular level of control over the inbound information that you receive in the Advanced Settings tab. The various options available help you to customize your alerts and send only relevant information to each recipient. Through Advanced Settings you can define the following. 1. URL mapping. 2. Advanced mapping. 3. Alert correlation fields. 4. Alert delaying/grouping. 5. Filters to match incoming JSON and form fields. 6. Escalation rule overrides. 7. Dynamic recipient groups. Thank you for taking a look at the AlertOps inbound API integrations. For more videos, please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.